Today I will bring a new video for civil engineer and electrical engineer. I have this 2D Autocad complete 2D home plan, and I will share the link of this file on description. So go to and click the link and download this home plan. Here is also site plan, ground floor plan, and sections, so you will complete understand the working of AutoCAD operator. Here you will see the column page and grid line, column name, and complete detail of steel. Looking here, column size and steel detail. If you will download this file, so you complete understand how to make structure plan for a home in UIE. This drawing is method of UIE. Here is you also looking tie beam and slab floor plan. Here we will making a different home plan. So download this AutoCAD plan for civil engineer and also help the electrical engineer. Here is also the sections. You will complete and understand how to make section and how to make electrical plan. So it's very helpful plan. So I share the link of this file on descriptions, so you will download this file.